Here we are in South Padre, and we are about to come into Karma, Coffee, and Books, where Nydia just had her book signing yesterday. And there's books here still if you want to come get one. There's some. Deborah says, heck yeah. All right, but it's completely. Such an amazing time. Such an amazing human being. Clap